I want us to use Google and we understand what is blockchain, because it will give us something that everyone can understand, because this might be a bit complex, which I've first illustrated, but I believe this is going to be the best. Now they're telling us that blockchain is a digital ledger that records transactions in blocks that are linked together. It's also known as distributed ledger technology, abbreviated as DLT. Remember, I've told you that blockchain is the one which enables the existence of the cryptocurrencies. They can't exist because all cryptocurrencies are built on what we call a blockchain. So now they ask us that, how does blockchain work? We are understanding it from Google. It is simplified. I told you that I'm here to explain. I'm going to break down everything you'll understand. You'll understand. These are the only social media handles which will explain to you cryptocurrencies. Definitely you'll understand. So if you have not yet invested, this is the right page. You'll understand everything. We have varieties of videos explaining about cryptocurrencies and how they work. So they're telling us that this is how the blockchain works. Data storage. Data is stored in blocks that are linked in a chain. Security. Blockchain uses cryptography to secure the database. Cryptography. Cryptography is the science of writing. It's the science of writing codes and ciphers to secure communication. Meaning that cryptography, it is something encrypted, because ciphers are algorithms used to encrypt, meaning to hide and hide data. Ciphers are algorithms used to encrypt and decrypt data. So this is not something that has just happened right now. During thousands and thousands of years back, the way how people used to communicate, they were using ciphers. They were using some things that if you don't, for example, they could write a message, but at times for you to read the accurate message, you had to replace letters. There were different ways on how the message was encrypted. So this is the same thing if we talk about cryptography. So they're telling us that the consensus, the network must agree to changes to the chain. We are looking at how does the blockchain work. Transparency. Blockchain makes transactions transparent, and this is what we are looking for. They're telling us that what are some uses of blockchain? First of all, tracking assets. Blockchain can track assets like lands or bonds. Make your research. Blockchain can track assets like land or bonds. Make your research. Some governments are already using blockchain for land titles. They're telling us that tracking transactions, blockchain can track orders, payments, and other transactions, meaning that transparency is going to be here.